What?
Knowledge I got permanently banned from TikTok. Video பாத்தீங்களா?
Later. Wow. Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Look like we got a viewer in trading live. How you guys doing, huh? Everything good? TikTok live போறதுக்கு பயமா இருக்கா அப்படினா? TikTok live போறதுக்கு takut lah kalau macam ni. Currently gold in the buy zone as well, guys. Let's look into the smart money concept. Down. This is H4. Morganish or Morvanish? Morvanish?
Yes.
Fucked up. Kita buat lah. Biar account warning tu hilang dulu. So what's gold gonna do? Gold's looking like gonna fly, but it's taking so much of retracement today. And then I don't know why suddenly there was a drop just now. You guys can see in where is it? Gold. Yeah, gold. Hey, he posted more Insta.
Oh, another new account.
Yeah, just now this drop. It was so sudden just now. I don't know why it dropped. So I'm targeting to buy in this zone again. Let's look, see what's the market do today. Hey guys, can you guys hear me? Is it all clear? You guys can see me? I see nobody is commenting there, so I just want to make sure you guys can hear me, you guys can see me clearly. Do comment, guys. Thank you. Hey, can you guys see me in trading live? Can you comment? Dah. refresh up.
If you refresh, it disappear, right?
No, no, no. I cannot see any of the comments here. Let me try. Sorry, guys, some technical issues here. Nope. Hmm?
What's that?
What? What?
Telling my aims to create. Just use this phone.
Issues with trading.live. That's why I want to do in TikTok, but TikTok there is a lot of issues. Always got banned. Currently we are in gold buy. No, you guys can see. I can show you here. Yeah, okay, this is the stream I'm viewing here. So there's no chat at all. Is it the right way I'm doing here? Yeah, it's okay. I'm using my phone. Let's start. Okay, well, you can see here well, so I don't have any issues. Okay, all right, bro. We're already putting the trading view screen. Yeah, this is trading view. Of course, if I want to show, I have 3 screens here. If you guys want to see here, I have 3 screens here. So on the top screen I can see lah, but there's nothing, no comments at all. So currently I'm trading gold. So what are you guys thinking? Gold gonna go up or gold gonna go down? So what is your opinion? Currently I'm in a buy gold lah. Maybe you should exit the screen share and check again. There will be a lot of issues here, so it's okay. I got alternative here. Nothing to do with that. I'm a mixed bias on gold, not sure. Mixed bias, why are you having a mixed bias there? Tomorrow might spike up for the gold as expected. I'm expecting the same as well, but today also, based on the technical analysis, I'm targeting gold to go up. You see here in H1, this is H1 here. Yeah, this one. There's a huge FVG here. So this this zone should be a buy zone. So the maximum I'm targeting 1905. It might drop and then go up again lah. 1905. This is 1905 zone, and then let me mark the zone here. 1905. From here it might go up, but the lowest one is 1903, and then this one is based on the H4 support and resistance here. And then down here we still got another zone around 1893 and then 1899. The maximum I'm target, if it goes down right, maybe in 1888. Tomorrow CPI I'm targeting to bullish, for a bullish movement. You guys can see this is a daily trend line. Daily I marked a trend line here. Price already touched 3 times, 1 2 3 4 5 times already. This is a compression happening here in daily, and then if it broke the trend line here, it might fly until 1941 and then retrace and then go to 1964. But another prediction says in the end of the year it might go until 2000, but we don't know lah. We are Everybody saying end of the year price might fly very high. It's my first time to catch this. Hi Winifred Senior. Nice sharing. So you're going to holding that zone and close below you would exit. Yeah, if it go below that I would be exiting. That's my money management, where if it go below 1906 is the maximum target. If it go below 1903 I'll be exiting, and then we'll wait for this zone to buy, because I'm targeting bullish movement. If I want to sell, if it retests on the 1905 with some bearish candle movement, I'll be selling here, targeting to this zone. Mostly my strategy is based on SND, SNR and SMC. Yeah, these three simple one. And then apart from that, if I want to do a very short term trade, scalping trade or intraday trade, which is less than 2 hour, 3 hour, I'll be using some chart patterns, mostly triangle patterns. Triangle pattern is one of my favorite. You guys can view on my TikTok if you guys have access. That will be nice. Can we see the gold come back to the test the trend line again? Sure, can. That's why tomorrow's flight or the bullish movement, it might hit the trend line again or break the trend line. Depends on the movement, depends on the momentum, depends on the data as well. Because you see here, if I connect to fundamental, right, there's a lot of things making USD weak, but USD data is coming out strong. A lot of external factors making USD weak, but USD's data is still showing they are strong within themselves. That is why I can't say for sure anything. You see here, it entered this zone, it's giving some rejection. That's why I'm in a buy as well. I'm targeting buy here. You see the signal on my Telegram is already out. Recovery, I'm gonna buy. Just now I bought here, but this drop here, hit my SL. So I'm waiting for the next zone, which is the current market here. You guys can entry buy also around. Maybe can start buying first layer and then wait for the retracement or wait for the drop again. This is first security zone. Complex problems are simplified. What do you mean, YM? The dollar index already hitting the resistance level. Dollar index. Yeah, this is my DXY resistance level. Yeah, this zone I marked based on daily candle patterns. It already hitting my resistance. If it drop, gold might fly again lah. Hopefully it drop and then gold fly. But before that, gold, this is a very big zone, so be careful as well. If you are seeing the dollar is strong, why you are buying gold? External factor of dollar is very weak. Internal factor of US dollar is very strong. Let's say the data they are releasing shows they are very strong. But if you see BRICS and then the business happening in the US and then how many countries are using the dollars, they are very weak. So that's a mix. That's why someone up there said they have a mixed bias on the gold. So I agree with him. Don't you have reversal entry? No, I don't go for reversal entry. I don't chase the market. If it hit SL, I'll be waiting for next setup. I wouldn't be entering sell instantly to reverse my setup. I won't do that. Most of the time I do that, it end up by losing money lah, so I won't do that. You just trade relax. You just don't chase the market. So you're buying there, so you won't be missing out on it. This is just one layer, so I won't be missing out. I will be risking just one layer. If it go down, then I will be putting my bigger lots or more layers there. Usually I have my layer system. For those who normally follow me in TikTok, right, you guys should be knowing my layering system. I usually enter 10 layers every setup. The most top one will be the high risk layer. The lowest one will be the high return layer. DXY going up way high. Are you sure? But resistance, daily resistance, even though it's going up, it's a daily resistance. If the dollar goes down, we can expect the gold start buying. Yes, correct. You see in H1 there's a slight rejection, but Wait for the confirmation lah. Maybe another 24 minutes. If the candle close below the resistance and then another candle also close below the resistance, then it's a confirmed resistance and then it can go down. Let your brain catch up your setup. Thank you, bro. Just wanted to say that I agree with you. Thank you so much. You guys name us like usernames are with numbers, so I can't call you out, but it's okay. Thank you for your input, everything. Okay, I just want to ask how many of you are aware of what's happening within BRICS country and then the dollar? Can you guys comment what you guys thinking of that? Any opinion you guys have based on that? Yeah, gold is rejecting here. Hopefully it fly after this. Facing difficulties understanding certain aspects. BRICS on the dollar, yeah, BRICS effects on the dollar or the US market as well. What's your opinion? I want to know. For me, if BRICS is getting stronger, but if it want to beat US dollar, the global reserve currency, it might take minimum of 5 years, minimum. But there are possibilities of BRICS might don't work as well, because you know, see, in BRICS there are Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. India and China are both, I can't say enemy, but they are super rivals. I don't know how they're gonna work together in BRICS. If they can't work together in BRICS, it won't happen, because after Russia is one of the strongest country, but China and India hold the most population, 1.4 billion and 1.1 billion population something, and then they have lot of buying power compared to Russia. Russia alone can't win the BRICS. If India and China work together, they might win the BRICS and then win the US dollar. Maybe the next global reserve currency might change. But looking at these two countries, the possibilities of BRICS winning a bit less as well. BRICS currency can fluctuate against the US dollar, but BRICS currency haven't been released. Once it released, it can be a freaking volatile market, but at the same time doesn't mean it's gonna win. We have to see the members of the country. Then another 40 more countries want to join the BRICS. I don't know what's their plan, how they can make it stronger. And then tomorrow CPI coming out. If tomorrow CPI data is weak for US dollar, they might face some consequences, because they already hit the ceiling of interest rate. They cannot do any more hike. If they do any more hikes, which they want to make US dollar strong, but if they hit the ceiling, it might collapse. There might be a slight collapse in the market. Gold is going up. Why it going up so fast, ma? I don't want it to go up. Around 15 pips. Yeah, it is going up. How many of you guys buy gold just now? I think they take measures to manage exchange rate. Yeah, possibly that I agree with you. BRICS currency can fluctuate. Got it. Right, that is true then. What is true? Also, don't forget to give me a stars love down there. You guys can tap. It might increase the engagement, I guess. Scalping now gold will be good. Yeah, I'm not scalping, I'm buying for intraday. I'm targeting next until around 1912. It's a 20 pips only, but 1913 also there's a slight resistance here. You guys can see this resistance here. This resistance one, and then okay, let me mark it straight, and then here one, this support become resistance here. So every 10 pips there's a slight resistance and support there in M5. This is for smaller trades lah, because now US market is already open, but still there's no much volatility there. In M15 there's a bullish engulfing candle is forming up here, so hopefully it gives a bullish momentum. We are buying. How many of you guys buy? Please do comment if you guys buy there. Just subscribe, you know. Thank you, Mirabel Raman. It makes perfect sense to me. Thank you so much. You guys are so positive here. I like to do live here rather than in TikTok. TikTok, there's so much of toxic people there. So, can you guys comment how many of you guys targeting to a bullish momentum on gold right now? Bullish momentum mean do comment bullish. If you guys targeting bearish momentum, do comment as well. I just want to see what you guys up to. We also targeting on GPP JPY, but GPP JPY it hit my SL and then went up lah. I want to buy here, but it took my SL here just now, because just now we got GBP news where consumer price index for in Great Britain came out. It took my SL lah. I can't do anything. So yeah. Naveen Sri Sridharan bearish. Some more? Only one. I see more bearish momentum in this time. Okay, if you guys saying bearish, right? Is it based on H4, H1? Because bigger time frame, it's still bearish, bro. In H4, you guys can see H4 time frame. That's a super downtrend. There's no uptrend yet. But looking at smaller time frame, it want to retest on the trend line again. This is M15. I'm targeting on smaller time frame because maybe I want to close my trades around in 1 hour. If else, I will set BE and then go lah. Buyers on bearish too. Somehow do. Can everybody comment there? Because whenever I'm trading, right, I just don't rely on my own opinion. I might ask my friends. I might look for the result on the internet. It's on downside trend. Yeah, of course, in bigger time frame. But you see, support. Okay, I might sell here to buy again because I just entry 1, right? So around here 1913, I might close and then sell here. If that's for a scalping entry, right? Okay, it already 191258. It is rejecting here. So if scalpers, this one I already profited $9. This latest entry here, you guys cannot see. Let me show you. Yeah, this one $8 profit around. So I might sell up here again. So which means if I sell up here, it might enter the zone again, so I can buy more. But sellers, it might be a scalping sell. For buy, it will be an intraday buy, because once it touch, it testing the zone and then it might retrace and then go down again. Here inside the zone, you can buy confidently. Do you agree with me? Really enjoying the valuable insights. Thank you so much. Happy to help you guys. Alamak, that's changed. Okay, I'm trading in MT4, but using TradingView as my analysis platform lah. It is easy. Okay lah, there's a scalping entry I made around $8 just now. Otherwise, my swing entries you guys can see here. This is my currently running profit lah. Can you guys see here? Yeah, that's it. Oh, my GPY, some I didn't close, right? I took my risk and then entry down here. It's on profit right now, GBP JPY. My gold, I do hold sell from here, which is currently around 400 pips. Sell from here is around 186 pips, and then buy from here. I hold for 600 pips and then currently at 211 pips. So this is my layering techniques. For those who follow me very long time, you guys should be knowing lah what's my layering technique there. How many of you here know my layering technique here? You did well on your entry. Thank you, Stacy House. Good moves indeed for GJ. GJ, yeah, it took my SL, so I know it's still a buy. You see the same zone. It hit my SL, so I buy again lah. We'll learn from, yeah, okay. Tomorrow I'll be doing this trading live session again. So tomorrow I'm gonna teach you guys layering system, how I use my layering system. I usually enter 10 times every trade. So just now, just a scalping entry. That is why I can hold for, this is for 412 pips, still holding. This is I hold for 600 pips, but currently around 200 pips lah. But always hold the last layer. Tomorrow I'll be teaching you that. Show us more strategy tomorrow. Today I'll be sharing on market movement. Tomorrow after CPI I'll be teaching you how to do my layering system, because that one reduces your risk, reduces your profit as well, but you don't lose too much. Yeah, our main goal should be reducing our loss rather than increasing our profit. When you try to increase your profit so much, you might end up losing so much. So that is why try to reduce your loss. Or getting less profit is better than losing so much of money. Do you guys agree with me? Do you guys agree? Minimizing our loss is gone and maximizing our gains too. Yes, correct. Happy you guys are agreeing with me on this thing. Give me a second. Okay, usually, right, because this is the first time I'm doing here, right, there's a lot of non-Malaysians, so I'm a Malaysian here. Sorry, Praveen, tekan camera tu. I'm a Malaysian here, so I see a lot of other countries. I don't know which countries are you guys. So first question, which country are you from? Can you comment? Dah. Please comment which country you guys are from. I want to do a survey on my audience here. Waiting for your Philippines. More. See, gold dropped again. Gold dropped. It will enter this zone. From Singapore. Bangkok. Somehow only 3 people commented. Okay, so usually when I met some people from Europe to learn some trading. It's not I learned directly from them, some sharing session. For them, whenever they are doing this forex trading, right, they are usually enter one entry only, but their lot size will be very big, maybe 0.5 or 1.0, 1.5 as well. But let's say they want entry here, they entry 1.5 here and then target 30 pips and then get profit. So 1.0, 30 pips is around $300. So easy profit. But at the same time, if it hit SL around $150, $120, it can be. The loss is also high, the profit is also high. So here I'll be doing layering system. For usually Malaysians, they like to put many entries. They just buy, but they use smaller lot size, 0.01, 0.02. But at the same time, they can minimize their loss very much. So join me again tomorrow. South Africa, wow, that's so nice to hear. See, the price entered the same zone again, so don't buy yet, don't do anything yet. If you guys sell here, it's around 25 pips. Yeah, 28 pips. 28 pips profit. So how many of you guys waiting for tomorrow's session? Tomorrow I'll be doing around 1 hour session, so I'll be doing fully. Today I'm just setting up this trading live to check how it goes. You see, today also I got problem. I cannot read the comment on the computer. Have to use my phone. So I'll be teaching you tomorrow. You want to learn more about your strategies, so you guys can follow me on Trading Live or go check out my profile. You guys can join my Telegram. So this is my Telegram name here. I'll be doing class later as well. This is our Telegram. Yeah, you guys can join my Telegram as well. Not sure I agree with this trade strategy. It depends. At first, I also myself I didn't agree with this strategy, but when I get used to it, where I can minimize my losses, right? I started to use this one. It is really helpful. It's okay if you not agree because everybody got their own strategy, their own setup, their own opinion. You can listen to my setup and then you can argue with that. I just want to share what I do, but I'm open to learn from you guys as well. We share together, we earn together, we learn together. I have a good time with your discussion. Thank you, Sandy Kitty. I only believe in technical analysis. Yeah, this we are doing technical analysis here, but for me, I like to add in the fundamental trade as well because it gives much for a long-term trade. Not only in forex, you can enter the real gold market, real stock market, everything. Technical analysis only during the news time you cannot use, bro. If let's say you are on a resistance, but fundamental comes out of very strong bullish data, how can you sell there? You have to buy there. That's when the breakout happens. Both works together as far as my experience too. Alright, Michelle Claire. Let's discuss more on this tomorrow. Don't forget to join our community here. This is our community name in Telegram. You guys can join our Telegram here. It is free to join. You guys can see the name, right? There are a lot of scam accounts as well, so please be careful. This is our only account here. Share your link, please. 1 second, I'll be sharing it in the comment section. Alamak. Ada register trading live tak? Mamu, send Telegram link kat sana. Okay, I will be sending the link in the chat box again. So if you guys can see, screenshot and then search in Telegram. So I'll be doing for another 6 more minutes and then let's see what happened. Price entered the zone again. So sellers, scalpers and sellers are ready to close, and then buyers ready to buy around this area. This is kind of 30 pip zone. Total around, oh sorry, not this one. 40 pip zone as well. For gold, I cannot give less than 30 pip zone. Gold, I have to give 30 or more. That's my zone size. But for currency, I can give around 20 pips or 15 pips. I also can. Gold, sorry lah. Do anyone here have a less than 20 pips zone for gold? For me, I don't think so lah. It is possible. It will hit your SL and then fly or drop. So that's a risk if you want to take very small zone for gold. Of course, there are sniper entries there, but to be safe, everyone to trade, better take 30 pip zone. Okay, that's my link here. You see Mamu Millionaire shared my link there. So that's my link there. So difficult of what? Item SQD SL. What is it difficult, bro? Trading is really difficult. Do you guys agree with me? Trading is very, very, very hard. It's harder than, I won't be harder than any engineering course, but it's a platform where you can earn money easily. At the same time, it is not easy at all. It took for me more than 1.5 years to learn correctly, to get some positive income. Again, for the last time, I'm asking, just now only 5 people commented here. I want to know which country you are from again, so I can know my audience base. See, gold is dropping again. Ready to buy? Don't buy now. Let it get inside again. Singapore. Those who commented, it's okay. I want to hear from those who haven't commented. And then for those who are from my Telegram, right? If you guys haven't downloaded the Trading Life, please download. Yeah, please download this app. Then only you guys can comment and everything. I think a lot of people didn't download the Trading Life app, and then you guys cannot view anything lah. So this is the website. You guys can download the website from here. Yeah, go down here. This is the download site. Please download the app and register. What do you mean that's reasonable? For Trading Life, that's the difficulties there. If you don't download, you cannot comment, and then there's a lot of things lah. And okay, yeah, the 2 more minutes left. Don't forget to join our community there, our Telegram community, and then we'll meet you on the other side. And then we are also providing signal here, so every day there's a signal. So our GBP is running 60 pips, and then today we got 2 SL lah. Last week only 1 SL. You guys can see this is our result. Where is it? Yeah, this is last week result. You guys can see only 1 SL, 1 loss lah. Otherwise everything good win. Mostly gold. Sometimes I target GBP pairs. So to get official launch, you guys join our Telegram first, and then I will let you know how to join. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining the live today. We will meet you tomorrow again for the layering system. We will learn something new for those who don't know how to do the layering system. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.